We decided to visit Harbour Beach, not far from Mackay, and what a beautiful sight. But on closer inspection of the sign nearby, deadly jellyfish, strong currents and crocs? I don't think so. Up here is a much safer place for our little toes. Traveling to our campsite really made us realize that we really were in sugarcane country. They were just everywhere. The first thing we did when we arrived is set up our new ensuite pop-up tent. Ooh, so much luxury. And it's kind of funny watching us putting it together, even though it's quite simple. It will definitely be much faster next time. But it's up now. And it's awesome. Now we can shower in there or get changed if we want. We can even put our portable loo in there for total privacy. Good? It's a new view. Hello, little rabbit. This is for you. Okay, so we waited for about an hour or so, had lunch and everything at the river, and we didn't see a single crocodile. So much for having the highest concentration of crocs in the river system of Queensland, because we didn't see anything.
I saw some bubbles.
Oh, you saw some
bubbles.
Yeah, we saw lots of bubbles. At the coming up to the surface, there were probably crocodiles passing right in front of us, but we didn't see them at all on the surface because the water was really murky and brown. So,
and the crocodiles is lazy, I think. To be honest,
they're lazy.
Let's go and chill.
Yeah, crocodiles probably just go past and then they mind their own business. So we didn't see anything. So never mind. Now we're on the way to Airlie Beach, and then we'll see what's interesting to see there.
This
Beef langos, apparently a Hungarian street food. The next 2 days we're staying at a beautiful property just in Conway, which is near Airlie Beach. There's the owner's house in the back over there. I think they said they have about 500 acres or something like that, somewhere pretty huge. And here's the view we have. So I'm just sitting on the fire pit right now. Got their cows munching away in the background. Come here. Oh, you're not all called Maggie. You're Maggie. Not all of you. Nice try. You. Hello again. Hello. Ellie jealous.
Just want another one of these. Okay, go on. Up we get. Ow. Oh.
Today we are going to have barbecue chicken for lunch. Yummy. Is it steamy around here, Pete?
A little.